Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Fix with Emmanuel. Today I want to show you how to check your cigar lighter or the power outlet fuse on a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If your phone charger or your cigar lighter is not working, the fuse might be blown out. So firstly, make sure the ignition is on. You turn on the ignition, then open the hood. For this car, 2013 Grand Cherokee, the fuse box is located at the right side of the engine bay, and here is the fuse box. So to open the fuse box, you need to press these two clips, then raise the fuse box cover up. Now this is the interior of the fuse box. Now the fuse box has what we call relay in it, and also it has fuses. The black one there I'm touching right now, these are the relays, while the other ones that has various colors are the fuses. We have 15 amp fuse, 10 amp fuse, and we have 30, and we also have 40 or 50 amp fuses. And next is, let me locate where I'm going to connect one lead of my test lamp, which is on the chassis of the car. Already there's the provided place where I'm going to connect it, and this is it. And this is the positive side that leads to that powers the fuse box. So what I need now is to reach out for my test lamp, and this is my test lamp I'm going to use to test the fuse to identify the exact one that powers the cigar lighter, of which is our focus. So I'm going to connect one lead of the test lamp to the chassis, which has been provided already for us. So on the other side of my test lamp, I will use to check the fuse that powers the cigar lighter, because at the moment currently my phone cannot charge. So right now I just tested to be sure the chassis is my test lamp is well connected to the chassis, which I have tested correctly with the wire that leads, with the positive wire that connects to the fuse box. So to be sure my test lamp is correctly connected to the chassis of the vehicle. So already it has been provided on the fuse box, where it can be easy for me to identify the fuse that powers the cigar lighter. Yes, it is written on the fuse box cover there, but I want to take you guys through the process of checking 1 or maybe 10 fuses to see, so we'll be able to differentiate between the fuse that is good and the fuse that is bad. So now look at what I'm doing. I test both sides. If the test lamp comes on both ends, that shows the fuse there is continuity between that fuse. That means that fuse is good. Now look at the fuse I tested. Okay, this one is good. This one is also good. Both sides came on. This one is good. Yes, this one is also good. There's continuity. This one, there is 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 no continuity. That means this one is a blown out fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse, and I believe this is the fuse that powers the cigar lighter. This is the fuse exactly the reason why my phone charger is not working. So the next thing I will do is to pull out this 20 amp fuse and replace it with the same amp 20 amp fuse. So that is what I'm going to do. Then after replacing it, I'm going to check if there is continuity, and at the same time I'm going to go inside and check if my charger has started working. That is what I'm going to do. Initially I said it has been written on the fuse box, each fuse what they work for. Now with the fuse that is blown out, now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's identify it on where it is written on the fuse box. This is the same number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is F This is F93. So the same, we're going to locate it here on the fuse box cover, what that fuse work for, and that is it. F93 cigar lighter. So we are on track. So I'm going to replace that blown out fuse with a 20 amp fuse. Then after that, I will check if there is continuity once more to be sure the fuse is not blown out. And here we go, the fuse is okay. So right now my cigar lighter will be working, and also I will be able to charge my phone. So this is how to check your fuse for this vehicle, and also applies to most vehicles. So if you stay to this time and this video has helped you, please subscribe, please like, and I will appreciate your comments. Thanks so much for watching, for as many that waited to the end of this video.